Lay down the drop copter template flat on the material. Trace around the outside of the template. Fold one blade down and trace again. Fold the other blade and trace. Fold the body and trace. Cut out the drop copter. Cut the blades apart. Cut the body on both sides. Fold one blade forward and the other back. Fold the body in. Add the paperclip. Drop your copter.